Hey guys, what's up? So this video is just a quick part 2 slash a follow-up to the eBay scammer sells me broken headset video. And you'll notice you probably don't see the broken headset here because I have sent it back because the day before, well, the day I posted it, he didn't see it or anything, but the day I posted it was the day before I could contact eBay. And he realized he couldn't strong-arm me by saying, oh, I'm going to call eBay. He couldn't strong-arm me into keeping the headset that was broken. And his false promises of, oh, after you get rid of the claim, I'll refund you, which is untrue. That's just a scam. He accepts the return. But, everything's great. Problem solved, woohoo, everything. No. So, obviously I'm going to get my money back, hopefully. You have to wait till it gets to them, but there's a tracking number, so eBay automatically releases the money back to me. But, here's the saddest part. He can't just leave well enough alone and be like, okay, I got defeated, I'll take the negative review because I'm a horrible person. No. This person does the pettiest thing someone has ever done that I have ever seen. Personally, I've read stories, but I've never seen anything pettier towards me. On his profile page on eBay, here's his profile, he puts that the negative review he got is from a seller trying to or buyer trying to mess with him. Literally, his one seller review, all of his other reviews are from from sellers, him buying stuff. His one review as a seller is that he sold a broken item, and it's from me, and of course he responds to that calling me a liar, posts on my profile that I'm a liar, in the form of a positive review, and on his actual profile goes, the only negative review I got is that he was lying. Anyone who was on the stream, there were about 4 streams of me trying to get those headphones to work. They were very clearly broken. I even streamed the moment I got them. Put them on, and you could immediately see my disappointment as they were broken. I don't care if they are broken in shipping or not. This man is petty and sad and disgusting. That is disappointing. To put that on your profile, the one negative review I got is someone lying because I sold them a broken product because I'm a horrible person. That's what it should really say. But that's besides the point. Problem hopefully resolved. If I don't make another video, it means that everything went well and the return got through and I got the money back. And in which case, I'll probably buy something else on eBay and maybe we'll make more videos. But I just find that hilarious. But that's besides the point. If you guys enjoyed this kind of, I don't know. I need validation. No, but I think this is just a good learning thing. Just don't let someone give you excuses or false you or strong arm you into trying to accept a broken item. If you are sent a broken item, no matter when it broke, as long as you didn't break it, if it broke in shipping, even if you dropped the package when it came in your house, if it was in the package or before the package got into your hands, it is their fault. You will send it back, or eBay will get involved and make them accept it, or make them give you some money back. Hopefully he doesn't try to resell it. If he does, I will make a video. You've seen his profile name, and people are like, oh, you could get for slant. No, it's a public profile, so I'm not exposing anything. But if he tries to I'm gonna check. If he tries to repost this, I'm gonna make another video, and everyone's gonna. Don't report him now, guys. He did do the return, so don't just go reporting this guy for no reason. I don't want that to happen. That could actually turn bad on me. But if he does try to resell this, I will report it. I've already reported to eBay, but I will report it to eBay. Post a video, have as many people report to eBay, because that would be horrible. That would be such a bad move on his end, and just really crappy, really mean. I'm trying to say worse words because I want to try to hope my application for monetization never gets through. But that's besides the point. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.